Time now, 5 o'clock on this Saturday evening, August 16th, 2014 on a Saturday evening. Time now for the What About J BJ Wiggins, the evening report. Saturday evening, August 16th, 2014. Good evening, everybody. Our congratulations at 5 o'clock here in North Massachusetts. 74 degrees at temperature with first gust humidity at 52%. Winds speed southwest about 10 gusts at 18 miles per barometer, 20 up 95 inches. Dew point about 55 degrees and visibility at 10 miles. Okay, let's take a look at our radar scope, and it shows a line of rain showers from extreme northern New England, stretching up to Quebec and western New Brunswick, and stretching down for southern Quebec, down for eastern Ontario, upstate and western New York. This means the localities of Montreal, Ottawa, Toronto, and Buffalo will be affected around the Rochester-Syracuse corridor and stretching down on northwestern Pennsylvania off the northeastern coastline here, and a spotty showers and storms from central Ohio, stretching into northern Indiana, western Indiana, and a line of rain showers from north central Tennessee, stretching western Kentucky, down for southern Indiana, and central Illinois, down for northeastern Missouri here, with some storms in it, and a line of showers and storms from north central Minnesota, down for Wisconsin, and then off the northwestern Michigan coastline here, and a white blob of showers and storms down for the Florida East Coast from Jacksonville, stretching it down for Miami, down for Tampa, and a spotty rain showers and storms from the Gulf of Mexico and stretching down for some Louisiana, down for southeastern Texas. And rain showers around the Dallas-Fort Worth area and stretching in north central Oklahoma, and some spotty rain showers in north central Mexico, and a line of spotty rain showers from north central Mexico, western Texas, down for eastern Arizona and Mexico, down for Colorado, western Texas, Oklahoma, down for southeastern Utah, and some spotty showers and storms from north central South Dakota, from the Dakotas down for the southern Saskatchewan, Alberta, down to Birch, coming down out to northeastern Washington, Northern Idaho, down for northwestern and central portions of Montana. Large grass, Montana. Good evening. 88 degrees with clear skies here. Take a look at our satellite loop here, and it shows a line of clouds covering much of New England and stretching down New York and down the northern Great Lakes and covering much of Ontario and Quebec and Atlantic Canada here, and a line of clouds from northern Missouri down for Iowa, stretching down to Ohio Valley, down for Kentucky, Tennessee, stretching down to the Carolinas out to sea. A line of clouds covering much of Florida, southern Louisiana, southeastern Texas, a line of clouds from Mexico, stretching to northern Texas, Oklahoma, and western Arkansas, stretching down for eastern Arizona, Utah, Colorado, New Mexico, and a line of clouds from northern Washington down to Idaho, Montana, down for Dakotas, and northern Minnesota, and stretching down for southwestern Manitoba, Alberta, Saskatchewan, and the southern portions of British Columbia here. Okay, let's take a look at this map situation. Cold front from southern Saskatchewan down for the North Dakota, stationary front down for Minnesota down to Wisconsin, and a cold front from Michigan switching up and Ontario down for Quebec, and a warm front from northeastern Ontario down for New York State, and a cold front down for Nebraska and Kansas, stationary front for northern Missouri switching it down for Ohio Valley, down for Georgia, down for the coastal Carolinas and out to sea. Football from south central British Columbia down for central Washington and Oregon. Football from southwestern Oregon down for California, and a football from southwestern Arizona down for Gulf of California. Football from southwestern Mexico down for Mexico, and another football from southeastern Texas stretching in northeastern Mexico, and some low pressure in Gulf of California and up northern California and western Oklahoma, and also in southern South Carolina, Virginia, and northeastern Ontario, and down for western Minnesota. And we got high pressure western Idaho, Utah, western Colorado, and West Virginia, and off the Gulf Coast here, and we got 78 degrees at temperature in Boston. Our pair of 76s in Pittsburgh, New York, and Philadelphia. 83 out in Washington, D.C. 82 in Detroit. 81 in Minneapolis and Chicago. 83 in Omaha. 76 in Kansas State. 99 in Dallas, Texas. 94 in Brownsville, Texas. 86 in Atlanta. 91 in Miami, Florida. It's 99 in Phoenix. 84 out in Albuquerque. 87 in Denver. 86 in Salt Lake City. 90 in Las Vegas. 76 in Los Angeles. 69 in San Francisco. 73 in Seattle and Great Falls, Montana. Here. Current conditions around the region, we have a 77 degree temperature reading for Boston, 75 in Fitchburg, Bedford, and Beverly, 72 in Gloucester, 76 in Naperville, 71 in Worcester, 74 in Sturbridge. It's 76 in Webster and Norwood, 77 in Taunton, 75 in Bedford, 75 in Plymouth, 73 in Falmouth, 73 in Pottstown, 75 in Chatham, 73 in Martha's Vineyard, 72 in Nantucket, 69 in Cape Cod Bay, 73 in Block Island, 76 in Westerly, 77 in Providence, 73 out in Smithfield, 76 in Springfield, Perth, 74 in Amherst and Greenfield. 69 in Pittsfield, 70 in Northampton, 72 in Albany, 72 in Keene, New Hampshire, 70 in Jefferson, New Hampshire, 69 in Bennington, Vermont, 67 in Brattleboro, Vermont, it's 74 in Concord, New Hampshire, 73 in Manchester, New Hampshire, 76 in Nashville, New Hampshire, it's 74 out in Portsmouth, New Hampshire, 76 out in Windsor, Loxton, and Hartford, Connecticut, 75 in New Britain, Connecticut, and 72 in Waterbury and Danbury, 77 in Bridgeport, 72 in Long Island Sound, 75 in New Haven, it's 76 in New York City, 73 in Islip, and 73 in Montauk. Here. Current conditions, man. Let's take a look at Public discussion here. And it shows heavy rains and flash flooding possible from the surface flow trekking from the middle Mississippi Valley to the Ohio Valley, and strong severe thunderstorms are expected over the Northern High Plains on Sunday. Unorganized area showers and thunderstorms are expected to develop of the east of a surface wave tracking down out of the middle of the Mississippi Valley and into the Ohio Valley this weekend, in which by Gulf moisture feeding into the storms will allow for periods of heavy rain and pose a risk for flash flooding and upstream, and then up into the surface will help trigger convection wall crossing the northern plains on Sunday and drop it into the upper Midwest on Monday. And even though much of the system's moisture supply should be rapid, the low tracking will be part of the Ohio Valley, and the heavy rains and strong to severe storms will still be possible across north central United States. Elsewhere across the nation, showers and thunderstorms will be possible with a cold front pushing throughout the interior New England on Saturday night. Cold conditions remain favorable for the scattered convection for south along the central Gulf Coast across Florida. At west, afternoon showers and thunderstorms will continue to pop up across the southwest and southern Rockies, but the coverage intensity of activity should be less than in recent days. Here. Forecast discussion here in New England here. A warm front will bring a random scattered showers to the area tonight, and that's just your cold front sweeps across the region on Sunday morning, early afternoon with another random showers and possible